Welcome to my channel Tech PC. Today, how to buy the right charger for your phone, fast. We'll cover power, compatibility, quality, and price. Step 1. Read the spec label, not just the front. Look for total watts. 1830W suits most budget phones. Avoid 5W. For iPhone, get USB-C PD. For Android, PD, or your brand's fast standard. USB-C with PD is the safe bet. QC works for many Androids, PD is more universal. Match the cable. Most modern phones need USB-C to C. iPhones need C to C. Older phones may be micro USB. Check safety marks, UL or ETL, plus CE/FCC or your region's certification. Quality runs cooler. Overheat? That's a red flag. John chargers are smaller and efficient. Great value around 30W. Don't cheap out on cables, get a certified 3A or 5A cable with solid strain relief. Use case: one phone, 1820W, two devices, 30W dual port. Laptop 2, 4565W multi-port. Travel, choose compact, foldable prongs, wide voltage 100, 240 Vi. Money matters. Skip ultra cheap. Trusted mid-range brands save phones and time. Score: watts, PD, safety marks, good cable, right ports. Like and subscribe to Tech PC.